What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We just want to first of all say thank you for watching the DIY pizza oven. It was a lot more successful than we thought. Thanks for all the views, thanks for all the comments. We really appreciate it. That video, we told you exactly how to build it. This video, we're going to tell you how to use it. So we made about 20 pizzas on this thing so far, and as you can tell by the first one, it wasn't that great, but now we think we have it down to a science, and we want to show you guys. We've had friends over that have raved about this pizza, and we love it ourselves, so we're going to show you guys the best way to use this pizza oven from start to finish. So stay tuned, here we go. The quickest way I like to start up this oven is with a paper towel, doused in some olive oil, and obviously a lighter. So here we go. Just drizzle a little olive oil on it, stick it right back there, and then you're going to take your wood. This wood we found at Academy. I don't know if there's Academies everywhere, but if you have an Academy, go there. In the grilling section, they have some real small pieces of wood. It's perfect for this. So you make yourself a little campfire back there. Start that sucker right up. Alrighty. Need a lighter that works. That would help. Alright, now that we have a lighter that actually works, we're going to get this thing going. Place it right in there. Right over the olive oil. Light that paper towel right up. Now this is going to take anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes to heat to what we want it at, which is around anywhere from 450 to 600 degrees. The best thing to test the temperature is right here. We'll drop the link to this in the description below. You can buy these on Amazon. I think they're like maybe 20 bucks. You just hit that right there and it'll show you exactly what your stone temperature is. So now, while this heats up, we're going to send it over to the kitchen, and Jess is going to show you how to prep your pizza.
Alright, so we are going to get this pizza going. We just get good old pizza dough from Publix. I cut this into 4 since we're working with usually little individual size pizzas. So at first we were using lots of flour when we were spreading out our dough, trying to make it not stick to the pan or the cutting board here. Well, that made the dough kind of dried out, and we found out that olive oil is actually the proper thing to use. So you put a little olive oil on your cutting board, get the dough a little greased up, but not too much, and then you just start spreading. You don't want to like knead it out, you just want to start spreading it into that circular shape. And we're not making big pizzas here, we're making small ones, so it doesn't have to be perfectly round, it doesn't have to be very big. Just spread it out just enough. Alright, so it's in a nice little shape, not too big, not too small. I'm going to grab our little pizza peel. Now, the pizza peel, you definitely want to get plenty of flour on this thing. You don't want your dough to be sticky on the peel. Spread out. Alright, So now I'm going to actually make the pizza on the pizza slice. It's much easier to go ahead and get that on there with none of the toppings on than it is to transfer it with the toppings on. So, start off with a little sauce. These are small pizzas, so you don't want to put too much on, or else it'll be too heavy and it won't come off the pizza slice very well. Alright, so we've got our pizza made, little garlic on there, cheese, sauce, pepperoni. We're going to take it out, see if this fire's ready to go.
Alrighty, this thing is up to 472. It's cooking. So it should be hot enough for us to throw this pizza in here. We try to not go below 450, but if you're right around that ballpark, that pizza's gonna cook real hot and real quick. So let's throw some pizza on there. Alright, Jess has us nice and prepped up here. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna slide this pizza in here and hopefully it comes off nice and easy. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! So it's gonna cook in about 5 to 10 minutes at the max, but what you're gonna look for is it start to slowly rise, actually quickly rise, and then when it gets to that point, all you're gonna do is take this peel and start looking up underneath it, seeing to get a nice crisp bottom, and then yeah, we'll go from there. All right, it's literally been like 5 minutes. The dough is starting to rise, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this pizza peel and I'm just gonna pick it up and look at the bottom. Oh yeah, that's perfect. I think I'm gonna give it 1 more minute and this pizza's gonna be done. Alrighty, a minute has passed and I think this thing is done, so we're gonna take her out. The best way to get it out is just to slide it under, kind of pull it back to you, it'll come right off nice and easy. Oh, look at that, nice and fluffy crust. Woo-wee. Set it right here. Oh yeah. That's not good. So the Steeler pizza slicer just went down on us. That was very close to being very bad, but we're still here. Got my knife out. We're gonna do it old school style here. We're just gonna cut this thing into 4s here. Look at that, crispy. Oh yeah, look at that, perfect. Let's test one of these out. Oh, the bottom is just perfect. Cooked all the way through. Let's test this out. Ooh, hot. Oh man, that is perfect. Woo. Well, hope you liked this video. Thanks again for all the support. Remember to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you back here for the next video. Thanks so much. Get you a piece.
Oh, it's so fluffy.
1 to 10.
Let me do Dave Portnoy proud. I don't know. 9.2?
Solid.
Perfect crust, nice and fluffy dough. Look at that little bubble. So good.
Dave, come out and review our pizza oven in the camper.
I'll hook you up.
An experience like no other. See you guys.